Dear friends, in the previous year we have seen the linear motion. Now what is meant by linear motion? It is also called as a translational motion. That is, in this case, the particle travels along a straight line. Motion is along the straight line. It is also called as a translational motion or the linear motion. And we know that the Newton's laws of motion, they are applicable for this linear motion. There are the three laws of Newton made for the motions. That is, these three laws, they are applicable only for the linear motion or the translational motion. Now in this year we have to see the new concept, that is called as a circular motion. Now what is meant by circular motion? We have seen that in case of linear motion, the particle travels along a straight line. But in case of circular motion, the particle should revolve in a circle. That is, the motion of the particle along the circumference of a circle. Along the circumference of a circle is called as a circular motion. Just I will give the elaborate by using the example. We know that in case of atoms, the electrons revolve around the nucleus. That is, the path of the electron is circular. So we can say that the electrons are in circular motion. In a planetary motions, we know that Earth is at the center and the moon is revolving around the Earth. That is the motion of the moon. Motion of the moon is a circular motion. But it is not necessary that each and every particle, object or body should revolve or move along the circumference. But we know that, for example, suppose that the vehicle is traveling along the horizontal path and it takes turn. Then at the turn, the path is curved. Only during this path, the motion is a circular motion. And before this path, it is a horizontal path, the motion is linear motion. But after this curved path, the motion is again linear. But only in this between the two horizontal path, the curved path, the motion is a circular motion. Means what happens? We can say that in circular motion, the path is curved. Path is curved. Then again there is new concept that is called as UCM. UCM means a uniform circular motion. That is, in this case, in this motion, the velocity is constant, or that is, we can say that speed is constant. In a circular motion, the linear speed remains constant. I am taking that it is linear speed, not velocity. That is, the speed is a constant, or we can say define the UCM as the motion of the particle along the circumference of circle with a constant linear speed. That is, linear speed is important. If the linear speed is constant, so that what happens, the particle will complete its path in regular time. That is, the periodic time is also constant. That is, in case of circular motion, what happens, uniform circular motion, its period remains constant. But in case of only circular motion, the period may be or may not be constant. That is, in UCM, the speed, that is called as a linear speed, must be constant. Now what is the direction in case of in case of circular motion? The direction is along the tangent drawn to the circle. Along the tangent drawn to the circle, that direction, that is, we know that when the vehicle or the vehicle turns, or the tire of the vehicle rotates, then what happens, that is, you observe that the mud, it is thrown in a horizontal path. Or suppose that a stone is taken in a cling and it is revolved in horizontal circles and it is immediately released, then the stone moves along a horizontal curved path, that is the tangential path. This like that is, we can say that the motion is a tangential motion. Motion is a tangential path is a tangential path. This is the direction. That is, in this case we have seen only about the circular motion. Circular motion means the motion of the particle along the circumference of circle. And in case of UCM, it is a uniform circular motion, motion of the particle along the circumference, but with a constant linear speed. Correct? We stop here.